On 6x5.5 wheel spacers save for Leopard 5. Make sure you get a high-quality set and install them correctly. Countless successful cases prove that 6x5.5 wheel spacers are safe for Leopard 5. For decades, many well-known wheel manufacturers have provided spacers with no concerns. Many times technicians will agree that proper 6x5.5 wheel spacers will be a good idea to fit wider wheels and encounter clearance issues. During the installation, use a good torque wrench to torque the wheel nut to the correct foot counts of process. This ensures the spacers are properly mounted on wheels. As long as you use high-quality ones and install them properly, it is very safe to use spacers on wheels for daily driving. When it comes to choosing the best spacers on wheels, consider these factors: brand reputation and protect warranty, precise fitment for your specific car model, thicknesses that meet your requirements, top-centric or lug-centric construction, quality of materials and process. Additionally, functions and customer support. On 6x5.5 wheel spacers safe at high speed. Yes, it is safe to use spacers on wheels at high speed. In fact, many people use spacers for racing because of the added traction and grip benefit. Even some famous aftermarket wheel manufacturers offer wheel spacers to fit their wheels. Generally, top-centric Leopard 5 wheel spacers ensure that your wheels are properly centered and fastened. Get high-quality top-centric wheel spacers and have them installed by professionals. Then there is nothing to worry about. For connection components like wheel spacers, the higher the precision of the contact phase, the better the spacers will fit. Thus, the safer your driving will be. Particularly, the precision of BONOSS active cooling wheel spacers has reached 0.02 mm. Such precise BONOSS 6x5.5 wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure the smooth operation of vehicle wheel parts. Safety, precision, lightweight, and the best experience are what sets apart BONOSS from other spacer manufacturers. A key advantage of BONOSS Leopard 5 wheel spacers is the active cooling feature, distributed in petal shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. Alright, let's wrap it up. When it comes to using wheel spacers, safety is all about doing it right. With quality components, like those from BONOSS, and a proper installation process, spacers can safely enhance your ride performance and stance.
Then you have magic.